I have never seen anything like this. Complete disgust. Craziest thing I've ever seen. This is a warning. If you don't want to see rats being killed, then this video is not for you. Alright guys, so if you've seen our other episodes on this particular infestation, we were at the east side of the property. Now we're heading into the attic area and the garage. We're about to meet Mark, who's moved all of the contents out of there for us to get in there and go to war with these rats. Remember, we've got to get these rats out of here so we can get this neighborhood rat free. Alright guys, so let's go meet Mark and check out the garage we have not seen yet. So let's see.
These guys are smart with the traps. They avoid the traps or they trip. They know how to trip them. I've seen them trip them.
Have you really?
Oh yeah, they either kick them or they nudge them, or I usually will put them on that workbench and they'll knock them on the ground.
What's it like living with the rats though?
It was hell.
Was it hell?
Yeah. Every
Is
single
there like a sort of an attachment though? Like you begin to like,
no.
Oh, these are my buddies.
No.
These are, no? Oh, okay.
It happens so gradually. You know, it's not good. It's not getting worse. It's getting worse and worse. They're sprinting around. They're doing more damage. They do damage that you don't see until it's like too late. God, it gets
so
like,
fast.
You move something and you go, oh my God, they ate this, they chewed that. Oh yeah, well I used to come in here every day. I would sweep, because I'd have to sweep. There's one there. I'd always try and move them out of the way so I don't step on them.
But they're so comfortable.
Oh, well they've been in here for almost 2 years. They were born in here.
Born in here.
A lot of them,
yes.
They were born.
Another one over here, huh?
Oh yeah, there's still some left. He's not done yet. But I would say he's gotten at least 90% of all.
Dead one right here.
The poison is getting him.
The poison's getting him. Look at over here, there's another one. Where? Oh yeah. Look at his head, you guys. It's like the poison got to this one. Yeah. Dude. All right guys, so as you can see, we met Mark. Pretty interesting fella. We're gonna go ahead now and put on our Tyvek suit, because without this, you're talking throwing your clothes away because it's so bad in there with the grease. We bought some pants so we can hold the guns, the ammo. Those look pretty sharp, Dave. Yeah, you look like a very professional. Oh, that's a nice model. Look at that, guys. What do you think? You should be a runway rat model?
Maybe they can smell it.
Yeah, that's right.
They can smell everything.
I put food right here, guys. And look at the rat. Are they coming at it too? He smells it. He smells that food.
I kept redoing it because rodent stop would come once a week. We tried it twice a week. It didn't really help much.
I'm literally 2 feet away from this rat.
Yeah, they're not scared. They're not.
Oh yeah, they're eating the food already right in front of me. Literally 5 inches from my GoPro. Unbelievable.
Some of them would stand on my shoe when I come in here. What the fuck's that? And there would be a rat sitting on my shoe. See, this is the conceptual.
They got more coming now. They got more coming. I've never had a rat this close. Oh, yeah, I'm sitting right here. You see it? Oh. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah, right there. And your water heater. Look at that.
Yeah, I put that wire over there so they won't chew the wires.
Yeah.
Because they could chew the wires or something.
So this water heater's 4 or 5 months old.
Yes, and it was about $3 grand.
Wow.
It was really good one.
I have never seen anything like this. These rats are literally 8 inches away from me, guys. 8 inches away. Hey, buddy. Look at how they've chewed up the wood up on the rafters here. Look at the amount of grease. The amount of grease that's here is unbelievable. I see one in the bathroom and then the other room where the couch is. Come over here. Oh, yeah.
He was sitting right there. He was sitting right here, dude. He's sitting right there. They even have a cat.
That's like anything, like my mom.
Oh, right there. Oh. Oh. Got him. Got it? Yep, got him. Got him? Yep. Nice shot. He had his last meal. Oh, there's one over here in the corner. Where? Oh, see the one in the corner? Yeah. In his hole. Stand back so you get his. Oh, there's another one. Let's go, dude. Yeah, okay. Got him. Oh. Got him good. Got him? Oh, yeah. Woohoo! It is so greasy in this garage, guys. You have no idea how greasy it is. Dave's gonna go get his kill. And then it's my turn, Dave. Nice shot. Yep. Nice shot. Okay, Jimmy wants to go up in this little hole here. Set some cat food in here. Oh my God. Are they everywhere? I've never seen anything like it. He said he's never seen anything like it. There's a few right here within 2 to 3 feet. I'm gonna have to go into that attic. Okay. All the rats that I shoot, I'll put them in a bag out here, okay? Okay, okay. Here I go. Oh, got it. Oh, I'm ready. Got it, David. I got 2 of them at the same time. This automatic is awesome. All right, I'm gonna go in, Dave. Go in, yeah, go get him. It is nasty in here. All right, I got a plastic bag so we can lay the gun down so we don't get it dirty. You got one, huh? Yep. Nice, put him in the bag. Got it. Woo! Got 2 of them, Dave. Look at this. Nice. This one I think is still alive. Oh yeah, look at he's still moving. Big one. Oh, massive, David. Hold on. Okay. I gotta show you this this attic space here. No wonder this house is off-gassing so much out in the street. God. Unbelievable, you guys. Unbelievable. It's just, I feel like I'm in just such the most disgusting place I've ever been to in my life. So it looks like the other pest control company left their automatic 824 and they got one. That's an old one there. Yeah, look at the hole in it. Oh, God. Oh. Put it in the bag. All right, I'm gonna go set up the twin trap while you're up in the attic. Yeah, David, I would set it up on this side where the water heater is, on the side wall there. Okay. Put some of that cat food. All right. Look at how sticky. Unbelievable. Look at how they chewed the wood. Uh-huh. Got it. Oh, get it! Oh! Oh! Whoa, hold on. What's up? What's up? What's up? Give me the light! I need light. Get it! Don't let it go. Don't let it go. Don't let it go. Don't let it go. Oh, yes. Got him. I got him. Okay. Woo! Nice catch, dude. Guys, a quick tip. When you're dealing with this infestation, wear multiple gloves. So that way, if this is a dirty glove, you can take it off and then you can handle your personal items and it'll always be sanitized. Really good tip to know that. Get the twin trap ready to go. We get right above the twin trap. Yeah, this is a good spot, you guys. A lot of activity in this area right here. Look at him. Look at him. So I brought my air detox so we can detox this in the garage and use it for the car. Yeah, this stuff's actually pretty cool. So the other pest control company, this was their concept, their idea. They thought by placing a bunch of rat traps on one single board was going to work. Here was what the problem was. When one deployed, the vibration and the reverberation through this wood deployed all the other ones. So as you can see, this method, good idea, but didn't work.
As you can see, we've did quite a bit of damage here in the garage. I think we've scared a lot of them, possibly inside the house. So let's do a quick inspection.
I think I saw something moving in that couch. I knew I saw something in that couch moving. Check. What does this remind you of, Dave?
Reminds us when we were shooting that movie, Hellraiser. We play a couple security guards and we're going down this dark hallway. Totally brings back the memories.
Check out the scene right here.
Someone's messing with our heads. Freeze! Just back it up against the wall. You heard him. Back it up.
Oh, right over there, David. Right over there. On top of the wood. Oh, got him. Oh, yeah, you did. Right there.
Go back to that couch where we took all those rats out. Let's see if there's anything in there.
This room is torn up.
Now, we did get a lot of comments going, why did you leave the door open? So this time we've got it closed.
Nothing, guys. Nothing. Brings back some memories here. Woo! We tried the sticky traps. We tried so many different things. Let me try to tip it this way, Jim. Yeah. Got it. We're still living in there, you guys. There's one, though. Yep. I think Dave's onto something. Oh, got him. So Dave was shooting through these two doors here. Yeah. Got him. Nice. All right, let's go check the garage again. Ooh, right here. See it right there in the corner? That one I like it. Got him.
I can't believe I missed that one. I've got an idea.
I see what you're going to do. The twin telepathy is happening right now. He's going to take the barrel of the gun. The Twin Tower of Doom has already gotten 8. Okay, Dave's going for round 2. I don't know if I got him, but it sure felt good.
Okay, Mark, we're just about to wrap up.
Okay.
What's the most interesting thing you see a rat do?
Yeah, what would you say the most intelligent thing you've seen them do here?
Besides deploying the rat trap.
Well, I have seen them, a rat was trapped, dead, and another rat was pulling him by the tail to take him away to either eat him, basically. Wow. But he took the whole trap in the rat. I've seen him actually get out of a sticky trap, which I thought, oh, he's in there, he's not gonna get, and they were kicking, they like kick fast.
Yeah.
And they kind of start breaking loose, and then poof, they got out of it. But I mean, they move things around. I've seen them moving things. And I've heard them, like there's those ducks up on the roof still from the air system. They will move those around to make like where they can get inside of it and make a little home or something.
We're getting out of the twin trap. Woo! All right, we'll put that to 0. To be honest, guys, I lost count. But in this bag alone is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's it. If you guys are wondering, the developer's coming in and is going to go ahead and discard all of these rats. So they're going to be here in the next week or so. Wow, guys.
I've got a headache. Just complete disgust. It's the craziest thing I've ever seen in my 30 years of doing this work. Every square inch of that home is completely infested with rats. But the good thing is we're wiping them out. We probably only have maybe another 20 or 30 rats running around this entire house. So the developer now is going to be able to come in. Wow is all I gotta say. Oh my God. But I would say complete disgust.
Complete disgust in that garage.
Guys, literally when I do this, I smell like a rat. I smell like that frickin' house.
I'm actually going to use my Air Detox by Dr. Schultz.
Here, spray some on me.
Whew. Now I'm ready to go to Vegas. Smelling good.
Brand new pants, guys. There's no way I'm putting those in my washing machine. Some disinfectant towels. Gotta have these. Look at that. That just came off my mouth. Ugh. That's all we got to say, guys. That was freaking insane.
That automatic today
was amazing.
performed.
We also missed a few though too.
Yeah, but those rats were, you know what was shocking to me, David, was the comfortability of these rats coming so close to us. I had that strategy of putting some cat food up there, and
it worked.
Within, I would say 2 to 4 minutes, guys, the rats just starting to come in and just started to feed. I was able to get our camera within inches close. I mean, some of the rats were so intrigued by the camera, they were coming up, kind of analyzing the camera. That was intense.
Insane. No, it just shows you they were domesticated by Mark. But anyhow, guys, we're really coming to a closure here. I'm so glad we got in there and knocked a few rats out.
The Twin Trap got some within a few hours, they're definitely
pretty aggressive.
Pretty aggressive with the food. That was a good catch, by the way, out of that wall.
Lord, I love it.
Hey guys, leave your comments. Tell us what you liked about this video and hit that subscribe button. And as always, we'll see you on the next one.